Hello and welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for your Instagram account. If you don't know what Instagram is, then Instagram is an American photo and video sharing social networking service owned by Facebook. The app allows users to upload media that can be edited with filters and organized by hashtags and geographical tagging as well. The posts can be shared publicly or with pre-approved followers. Users can browse other users' content by tags and locations and view trending contents. To sign up for Instagram, start by going to your web browser, type in www.instagram.com and enter. This is the official website of Instagram. To sign up for a new account, click on Sign Up. If you already have an account, you can proceed further and enter your credentials in the boxes and click on Sign In. To create a new account, click on Sign Up. Now, enter your phone number or your email in the first field. On the next field, enter your full name. Now, under Username text field, enter a username that you would want to use for your Instagram account. You can click on this button to find usernames that Instagram suggests. After you're happy with your username, move on to the next field and enter your password for Instagram account. Make sure to enter a strong password, and if you want to check the password, then click on this Show button at the corner and reveal your password before signing up. Finally, click on Sign Up, and on the next page, add your birthday information. Choose from the drop-down menu and select your birthday information. After you're done, click Next. Now, a confirmation code will be sent to the email address you entered. Go check your email. Click open the email that you got and copy the code that has been sent to you. Go back to Instagram page, type in the code or paste the code and click on the next button. And after that, you'll be taken to Instagram home screen. There are some suggestions for you to follow. To follow them, click on Follow button and start following your very first Instagrammer. After you're done, click on Get Started, and that is it. You have signed up for Instagram, follow more people, and start exploring. That is all for today. I hope you learned how to sign up for Instagram. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.